Hey there guys, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. Kindly like, comment and subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you're notified once I upload other videos. So I've said before in my channel that I braid my own hair, and this is the style that I want to show you how I came up with. So have a look at it. Yeah, so I did this style on my own. As you can see, they are a bit long. Yes, so this is how it looks like. So to see how I came up with this, stay tuned. I start by sectioning my hair into 3 sections, starting the back, then I'll just tie it away. So I section the back part. Then I'll just tie it up using a rubber band. Like that. I now go ahead and section the front part into 2 sections, like that. Then I'll just tie one section as just tie it away. So I'm done sectioning. So I tie away one section. Using a rubber band again. So the remaining untied section is the section that I'll be working with first. So I start by sectioning the hair that I will be braiding first. And my edges have really fewer hair, like really sparse. The more reason I plait my hair on my own so that I don't mess up my edges, because the situation is already as you can see. So that's the section that I'll be working with first. So I shall do double fixing. I start by doing a small braid. So I take a small piece of the hairpiece. I start by doing a small braid like that. So now we all know it's held in half, like the middle section. The middle section, just take it round the smaller braid like that, so that you have 2 parts of the braid. Then the smaller braid becomes the third section, the third piece, so that you have 3 parts. Then now you section the bigger parts and add into the smaller braid so that you have equal parts. Then you just go ahead and braid it down. Okay, so my braids are not usually that tight to protect my edges from falling off. I don't like causing tension on the few hair that I already have, so I prefer to just do some loose braids, not that loose, just loose enough and not very tight too, just moderate like that. So I'll just braid it down, then I'll just quicken the rest of the video, because if I give you all the details of each and every braid that I do, then it will become a boring movie.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.